Explain this to me. Why are you doing this with your teeth? You're lifting weights with your mouth.
You would wonder what benefits it has for boxing. I just think that like pit bull dogs and the, locked jaw, strong jaw. And when
Strong jaw.
Yeah, you're getting hit to the head and you want every advantage possible. So that kind of strengthens up the jaw area, the neck area. And Mike Tyson, in my opinion, was a guy who brought a lot of the neck strength to the sport of boxing. So we're just trying to evolve it and take it to another
And it's
level.
also, are you developing the back of the neck as well? Because
right.
when you get knocked out, sometimes it's the snap back of the head, and that
Correct.
might prevent that.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So all of these little things make a difference.